Hello, welcome to my talk about golings. Well, let's start explaining what is golings. Golings is a tool to help beginners to learn the Go programming language by fixing small programs. These small programs, they have some errors in the program, so you can compile them before you fix them. Uh, and there are some other exercises that they are actually tests. So you need to make the tests pass so you can go to the next exercise. The tests are already written in Go. So your task is to fix the tests. So you can remove the comments that I will explain later. I'm not done, and you can go to the next exercise. Why I created Golinks? Well, I created Golinks because I believe in fast feedback while learning a new programming language. So Golinks like Rust links for Rust and Zig links for Zig, they behave the same way. They work the same way. You have a tool, a binary that you can install in your computer, a program, and this program you can also download the list of exercise and a file that is an index for all these exercise. And you can run Golinks to verify if your exercise are correct after trying to fix them. This is what Golinks is. Now I will show you the repository, and here we can find Golinks in GitHub. So you have pretty good documentation here. It can guide you installing the program. You can install it either by using the go install command or finding a binary for your operating system and architecture here in the releases page. Okay, after downloading Go, installing Go, and cloning the repository and installing the Go the Golinks binary, you can start to try to fix all the exercise, right? All the exercise are can be found in the directory Golinks exercise in the topic you want to learn. The file info tunnel, it has a list of all the exercise. They are ordered by the difficulty. So if you start right now, the range of difficulty of the exercise will be from the most easy to the most hard exercise, to the harder exercise. So, okay, let's try Golinks. Okay, before I go into the attempt of fixing some exercise, I want to give you my thoughts about fast feedback and a little more detail on why I created the Golinks for the Go language. I believe in fast feedback because when you are reading a book, the book has a lot of theory that is very important and necessary, but some books They don't have the fast feedback a beginner needs. And sometimes, even if you are an experienced programmer, you know most of the theory behind the programming language, so you are used to learn new programming language, so it gets easier with time. And you want fast feedback because you want to learn faster, and you don't want to get stuck by reading a huge book before typing some code. So this is where a tool like Golang shines, by giving you fast feedback. And fast feedback is something very important to me, and I believe that it's very important for beginners as well. Now, how does Golang work? When you want to try Golings, you can run Golings. Let's install so we can I can copy it here. Okay, it's installed. It's already cloned, right? And you can type Golang run next. Run next. Golang run next is a command to run the next exercise that you haven't fixed yet. Now, after running the command, we can see that it tried to compile the exercise. It has an output of the error of the compiler, right? It says that there is a syntax error in your program. It was expected to have the variable was expected to have a name. Variables in Go have names. You can declare it either with var or with a column before the cosign. And also you can see that in the end of the output of the command, it tells you if you are stuck trying to fixing the program. You can ask a hint to the program, and all the hints are declared in the toml file. So let's ask a hint for the program. Okay, variables must have names. Yeah, let's open the exercise and fix it so you can go to the next. There's another command called golings verify. It runs all the exercise from the first to the last to check if you succeed by fixing all the exercise. Okay, it stopped it in the first because you haven't fixed it yet. Variables. Let's open the program here, and we need a variable. The printf call here, it says that it has a message. The first argument of printf is a format string, right? It's a message, and the next parameters are the variables that must be interpolated here. So it says that x has the value, and the format. It's integer. It's how you represent an integer when formatting a string. So we need to add the x name here, and it will compile. Let's check. Golings run next. Okay, it says we are done, and it now passes the compiler rules, and the program outputs what we were expecting. Nice. We can remove the comment. The comment is what makes you that when we remove the comment, golings know that we want to go to the next exercise, right? If you don't remove it here after fixing the problem, it won't run the next exercise. So let's remove. Okay, now it goes to the second exercise. It tries to compile, and it failed to complete. You now can ask another hint to the problem, and it said that we miss a symbol used to declare initialize variables. Now you can open it here, right? And you can declare the variable the right way using the column. Okay, and I can remove it here and run the verify. It runs the first, the second, it runs all the exercise. This is how golings work. Let's add a new exercise to the golings repository, so it will go to the main upstream. Actually, golings is a tool that works with any folder with any exercises. We can have your own exercises. You just need to have your own TOML file to describe the exercise. Your own exercise, actually. But if you feel like your exercise will be useful to other beginners, other students of the language, I will be very happy to review your pull request so we can merge it to the upstream branch. Okay, let's create a new exercise here. Structs. Okay. We can copy this. We can copy it here. Create a new folder, struct3. Now we can copy the second exercise. Let's do something similar. Great. Okay. Let's move it here. It is just a comment. Let's create an exercise that must print the person full name, right? So we can change the message here. Person full name is, and use the s, %s. It means that you are format a string, and full name is a string. Change name, replace name by first name, and surname. It's also string. Let's fill the structure with the right attributes. It's not a. Let's put input my name here, and well, one of the problems of any kind of this tool is that the problem just pass the compiler. It must obey the compiler, and if the compiler is happy, you will succeed. So we can add comments to make the person that is using golings to help the person to know what they need to achieve. Like Here it must be, it must output person, full name is Mauricio Antunes. Okay. Let's set this exercise will be about adding a function to a struct. So we need to create the add the exercise here. Structs 3, actually 2, so I can add it right after the second exercise about structs. Structs 3. Since it is in the no, let's add a hint. You can add a function to a struct by adding code similar to the one below. Func the something structure here, the something. I think it's a good hint to the person, so they can explore in the internet books to find the answer. The something return. Let's submit it here. We already covered the function, so they will know that functions can have return types, return values actually, with a type. Okay. Now let's change this comment. Golings run. There's a way to run a specific exercise, so let's run it struct 3. Okay, now it outputs the error, and you can ask a hint for golings, and now we have a new exercise. Well, this is golings. I hope you have enjoyed this talk, and if you want to know more about the project, if you want to know how it works in details and help with new features or issues, you can send me a DM on Twitter or find me on GitHub. And that's all. Thank you.